Good morning, students. As you can see, yesterday we had discussed about rounding up and rounding down. Each one of the numbers over here you can see 5578. This is rounded up to 1000, so under this 100 digit is underlined. This is also rounded up to thousands. If we are checking hundredth digit, that means we are rounding up to thousand. If you will see here, it has been shown are rounded up to 6,000. This means when we round this up, it becomes 6,000. This is the highest place value. Highest place value means what? Up to how much the place exists. Ones, tens, hundred, and thousand. Up to thousand it exists. So these all are rounded up to 6,000 because why? In hundredth place there is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If you remember last time I had said if at hundredth place there is 5 or more than 5, then what will happen? Everything will be reduced and in thousand place 1 will be added when we are rounding up to thousands. In same way in hundreds we will see 10th place and same thing will be over there, that in 10th place also if there is number 5 or more than 5, then 1 will be added to 100 and all will become 0. Or because all these numbers are nearer to 6,000 than to 5,000, simply nearer to also you should understand, like when we say that your home is 25 kilometer far from school and my home is 30 kilometer far from school, then who is nearer to school? Who is nearer to school? To school there is person whose distance is less is nearer, 25 kilometer. Those whose distance is 25 kilometer is nearer. So in same way when it is asked 16 is nearer to 20 or 10, then if you will see from 16 how much back is 10? 15, 14, 13, 12, 11 and 10. So 6 digit back it is 10. And when you will go from 17, 18, 19, 20, 4 digit front it is 20. So which one is nearer? 20 is nearer. That's why it is said when it is 5 or more, 1 is added to the next place. If 5 or less, then nothing is added and all becomes 0. You can see here it has been written, or because all these numbers are nearer to 6,000 than to 5,000 and 5,438, 5,360, 5,240, 5,196 are rounded down. Up means it increases, down means nothing increases, it decreases. All other extra numbers get deleted. That means that becomes 0. Okay, so you can see over here, here when these all are rounded up to thousands, rounded down also you can say because it is decreasing, rounded down to thousands, and what will happen? All will become 5,000. Why? Because 100th place there is all the digits are less than 5. If there is less than 5 in 100th place, then to its nearest thousand we will be adding nothing and all the hundreds, tens and ones digit will become 0, as it has been said. Rounded down to 5,000, or because all these numbers are nearer to 5,000 than to 6,000. Here if you will see there is a check box, and in check box what it has been written? Estimation help us to make judgment of amounts or quantities. Estimation always help us to make judgment and quantities. Actually in our daily life we always estimate in greater amount, so that there will be no lackness. But here when we will be learning, we will be finding that estimation is not always greater than equal. Sometimes it is smaller than equal also. So when we will be solving the exercise, we will be knowing that of course estimation is not always greater, it can be smaller also, that we will be learning while making the exercise, because I had made, so I am knowing, so I am saying you earlier. Okay students, so if you will see here it has been written 45,632. If you will see this next paragraph, 45,632, 46,666, 47,303, 48,212, 49,555 are rounded up to 50,000, or all because all these numbers are nearer to 50,000 than in 40,000, because in thousands place there is 5 or bigger than 5 numbers, so it is nearer to next 10,000, that is 50,000. Okay, in same way, if you will see below, just opposite of it has been given as it is say given above of 6,000 and 5,000. If you will see here again in checkbox what it is written, did you know the word approximation is derived from the Latin word approximatus, means very near. Approximation comes from the Latin word that is approximatus, which means very near. So now if you will see 44,215, 43,111, 42,929, 41,634 are rounded down to 40,000. Why? Because at thousands place there is less than 5. So to 10,000 it will become, nothing will be added and other all will become 0. So it becomes 40,000. I hope you all are understanding now. Here is a question or example number 15, that is estimate 5,465 plus 2,513. Also find the actual sum. Students, here it has been said to find the both. Okay, in question it has not been said, but also I have made. If you had seen the PDF, you might have understood how to find the actual and different. Okay, if you see over here, just see estimate 5,465 plus 2,513, also find the actual form. So in estimation, what we did, at first we estimate the numbers individually. Here it has written, we first round up the number, the nearest thousands, then we add. So 5,465, in 100 place there is 4, so nothing will be added, it becomes 5,000, other all will become 0. Now here 2,513, in place of 100 there is 5, so 1 will be added to 1,000 place and all will be removed, so it became 3,000. Now when this added, you can see 538, 617, 549, 729. Okay, and here when we add we get 8,000, so there is the difference. Actually actual is less and estimation is bigger. But students, already as I had said, in our general life estimation is always bigger than actual, but in scientific way, when we are doing the estimation in process, it can be bigger also and sometimes it can be smaller too. So if you will see here, it has been written, we first, okay, and then after rounded up and it has been made. So here it has been written, thus 7,978 is the actual sum and 8,000 is the estimated sum. In this way you will be writing in word also. I had left to write in word, so you can write by yourself in sentence. So now if you will see example 16, okay, estimate 8,725 minus 3,465, also find the actual difference. Here also same way, it's the individual number should be estimated, then it should be subtracted. You can see we first round off the numbers to the nearest thousands, then subtract. If you will see 8,725 is rounded up to, now hundreds place there is greater than 5, so it will be rounded up to 9,000. Here at 100 place there is what, less than 5, so it will become 0 and all nothing will be added to 1000 place, so it will become 3,000. Actual difference is what, 5 minus 5 0, and from 2 6 will not go, so taking carry 1 it will become 12. 12 minus 6 is 6, and here 6 minus 4 is 2, and 8 minus 3 is 5. You can see here it is 6. Why? Because 1 has been given carry. So, and in rounded up what happens, this becomes 9,000, this becomes 3,000, and when subtracted it becomes 6,000. So this is actual difference and this is estimated difference. Here also you can see estimated difference is bigger and actual difference is smaller. Generally it comes same only, but sometimes it differs also. So now if you will see 17 number, Balachandran bought a wood chimney for rupees 11,585 and a burner cooking range for rupees 28,675. Estimate. Here you have to estimate. And student, if there is estimate, then you will be estimating up to the highest place order of the number. Like here, if you will see, the highest place order is 10,000, and here the highest place order is also 10,000 only. You can see 28,000, 2 is at 10th place, and here also 1 is at 10,000 place. So we will round up to nearest 10,000. How much will she pay for both? You will find the actual, and then after you will be finding the estimated price also. How much more will she pay for the cooking range than the wood chimney? How much more will she pay? Now for that, what you will do? You will be subtracting from what? Cooking range then the wood chimney. That means from rupees 28,765 you will be subtracting rupees 11,555. So you can see over here solution is there. Solution, this actual amount in rupees it has been given. In same way you can see chimney. Okay, in chimney the price was 11,585, rounded up to 10,000 it is. Already I had said to the highest place order 10,000 is there, so 10,000 it becomes. And cooking range it is 28,675. So here also this is in 10,000 place, so it will be rounded up to 10,000 and it will become 30,000. So now while adding it will become 40 and 42, 40,200. 40,260 will become the answer. Okay. In same way, when we rounded it up, 11,000 becomes 10,000 because at because in thousands place there is only 1, so nothing will be added to 10,000. But in cooking range in thousands place there is 8, that is greater than 5, so 1 will be added and it becomes 30. 10,000 in 10,000 place 1 will be added and all will become 0, so it will become 30,000. So what will happen? While adding it will become 40,000. Now if you will see over here, the estimated amount of items is smaller than actual amount. Here it has been not asked, so not written, but you should understand that. Now I will be just explaining you over here. At last what it has been written, thus 20,000 is estimated amount that is more than the cooking range than in wood chimney. Here amount of money it has been found. What is about how much rupees is difference over there. Okay. Now there comes a practice question. In practice question, there it has been given a question: estimate the sum. A is sum, B is difference of 43,521 and 14,003 by rounding off the numbers to the greatest place value of the smaller number. Greatest place value of a smaller number, that means smaller digit number. You can see over here it is of thousands place. So thousands place you will be rounding up both this and we will be adding, and then after you will be subtracting. You can see this solution over here. Yes, here it is. The question was 43,521 and 1403. So I written 43,521 and 1403. Estimated it becomes 44,000 because the smallest number is 1,000. So we will be taking 1,000. So 5 it is. So it becomes 44,000. And 1403. In place of 100 there is 4, so it becomes 1000. Now you can see over here, while adding this also becomes 45,000, and here when we add this becomes 44,200, sorry, 4,924 becomes the answer. Now in practice, if you will see estimation, I had written the same thing, and difference, again it has been said difference, so actually it will be same, and estimated will also be same, only you have to subtract over here. So 11 minus 3 is 8, and then after 1 will be left over here, because this 2 had given 1 2 ones, so 1 minus 0 is 1, and then after 5 minus 4 is 3, and 3 minus 1 is 2, and 4 minus 4 is 0. So the last question you can see over here. Here at the last question, I will be teaching you much questions. So let's see that. So difference you understood, yes, and addition also you had done. So this is the practice question. Okay. After that, there comes exercise 2I. So before explaining you, I will explain that this is also based on number power itself, place value only, rounding up to the nearest 1000 and 10,000. You can see in question number 1, that is based on what? So the number and its place value only. Rounding off, it is up to nearest 1000 and nearest 10,000. So students, this 20,000 was wrong in the question. I will explain you how and how you will be making. Here it has been said to round it up to the nearest 1000, and you have to write the number over here. So if you will see ones, tens, 100, in place of 100 there is how much? 5. So it will be considered as how much? 15,000. They are equivalent to 50,000. In same way, when we just estimate it to nearest 10,000, then we see 1000 digit, and in 1000 digit there is 5. So what happens? It becomes 10,000. Now class, this one is okay, this is of the 4 class, you can see it is 50. This will happen, and now you can see just below that in B number 68,722. So we will round up to 8,472. Okay. So we will see 8,472 comes under any prime factorization or not. Okay. 68,762 is there. So a student, you can say practice question. Okay. In practice question there is estimate the sum difference of 43,000. If you will see, I had just came down here, 43,521 and 1,403 by rounding of the numbers to the greatest place value of the smaller number. Smaller number greatest place value means what? Smaller number greatest, you can count like this: ones, tens, 100, 1000. There is 1000. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. So this is 10,000 number. So this is the smaller number. So we have to round up to greatest place value of a smaller number. So 1000 is over there. So we have to round up to 1000. Then you have to add and subtract. If you will see over here in the previous page, okay, might be here itself. Okay, sorry. Yes, I had made this practice question. Actual addition I had done, and estimation addition I had done. You can see when we are rounding up to 1000, we will see the 100th digit, and 100th digit is 5. So we will be removing this all, it will become 0, and here in 1000 place 1 will be added, so it will become 44,000. Here in 100 place there is 4, that is less than 5. So all will be removed and 0 will be there. So 1000. So 1000 and 44,000, it becomes 45,000. And you can see here actual subtraction also I had done. Subtraction is same like as we had done earlier. You can see addition also over here, like 11 minus 1 plus 3 is 4. Addition is there. So 0 plus 2 2, 5 plus 4 9, 3 plus 1 4, and 4. So in this way it has been added. That is the actual sum. If you will see estimated sum, it becomes easier to add also. 44,000 and 1,000, 45,000. And here difference you can see, taken carry 1, then it becomes 11. 11 minus 3 is 8, and here remains 1, and 1 minus 0 is 1. In same way here is 5. 5 minus 4 is 1, and 3 minus 1 is 2, and 4 is there. So actual subtraction is 42,118, and the actual sum is 44,924, and estimated sum is 45,000. You can see it is bigger. Okay, but I had said always it is not that the sum will be bigger only. Estimated sum will be bigger than the actual sum. Sometimes it becomes less also. We will be watching through when I will be making the questions. Okay, so you can see over here, and here it is for estimated subtraction. Here I had not written estimation, so you can write estimation also. Estimation subtraction is 43,000, which is of course greater than the actual subtraction. Actually our estimation should be greater in real life, but in scientifically of course it should be the same only as it has been given. If you will see now, I had solved exercise 2J, which is just below this practice section. In teacher support, here it has been written, prefer to rounding off the numbers to their greatest place value and the smaller number while finding the sum or difference of numbers. Okay, when we are finding, we have seen the examples also, and while making the exercise also we will be watching it. Now, and first number here it has been said that fill in the blanks in the table. One is done for you. If you will see over here 14,569, it has been rounded up to nearest thousand. Here it has been said. So we will be watching 100th place, and 100th place there is 5. So when it is 5 or greater than 5, we have to remove it all will become 0. 100th tens and ones place it will become 0, but 1 will be added to 1000th place, it will become 15,000. And when we have to round it up to 10,000s, we have to see what is there in 10,000s place. And if you will see now, in 10,000s place there is 4, and 4 is smaller than 5. So this rounding up to nearest 10,000 will become 1, and all will become 0 0 0. It means 10,000, not 20,000. Here it has been done mistake. So if you will see on my table, I had written 10,000, not 20,000. Okay. Exercise 2J, you can see over here. Yes, I had written 10,000. I hope it is clear to everyone. And here it is 15,000 as it is. And in same way 68,722, if you will see, here also in hundreds place there is 7, which is greater than 5. So all becomes 0. Hundreds, tens and ones place becomes 0, but 1 will be added to 1000 place, so it will become 69,000. And if you will see in 1000 place there is 8, which is greater than 5. Again all will become 0. Thousands place, 100 place, tens place, and ones place when we are rounding 10,000, and it becomes 70,000. We should understand, when we are rounding up to nearest 1000, then 100, tens and ones should be 0. When we are rounding up to nearest 10,000, then in that case 1000, 100, tens and ones should be 0. If you will see question number C, it is 42,695. When we are rounding up to nearest 1000, we will be seeing 100th digit, and 100th digit is 6, which is greater than 5. So we will be keep making 100, tens and ones 0, and we will be adding 1 to 1000. That it will become 43,000. While rounding up to nearest 1000, it will become 43,000. Now, while rounding up to nearest 10,000, we will be watching thousandth digit, which is 2, and 2 is less than 5. So what we will be doing? We will be making all thousands, hundreds, tens and ones digit 0, and nothing will be added in 10,000 place, because there is 2, which is smaller than 5. If it is 5 or greater than 5, then only 1 is added. So it becomes 40,000. When it is rounded up to nearest 10,000, it becomes 40,000. If you will see here the last one, that is 62,383. If you will see in 100 place, there is 3, which is less than 5. So nothing will be added, and all will become 0. So I had written 62,000. 1000 place 0, 100 place 0, tens place 0. In same way, if you will see in 10,000 place, we have to see when we are rounding up to 10,000, then we have to see thousands place, and thousands place again there is 2 only, which is less than 5, so nothing will be added in 10,000 place and it will become 60,000. This is all how to make question number 1. Now if you will see question number 2, next page it is. Yes, here it is 2. Question number is there. Estimate the sum or difference by rounding off each numbers to the highest place value that both the numbers have in common. Here also it is just like practice question only. Have in common means you have to see the largest place value of smaller number. So you can see in A, B, C, D it is add, and then after in E, F, G, H it is subtract, and as you can see I had made up to E. In same way you can do F, G, H also, but if I will be sending you next time PDF, I will be doing from F, G only. From F only I will be starting after where I had left over here. So you can see in first number it is add, so I had done, I written the not written the question, simply I had solved. You can see 195 plus 625 was there, so I had added actually also and estimated also. If you see addition actually, it becomes 5510 and carry 1, 9110 and 212, again carry 1, so 112 and 6 8, it becomes 820. But when we see its estimated addition, it becomes 195 is there, so rounding up to nearest 100. Okay, then there is 9 is there, so 1 will be added, it will become 200, and here it is in tens place 2, so nothing will be added and it will become 600, and 600 plus 200 it is 800. Now you can see here actual is greater than the estimated. Now what happens if the person goes with estimated price? Of course he will lack money, but this is the scientifically way of estimation, so you should estimate in this way only. I am saying about book. Now in real life, I don't think anyone want to face problem of coming back again from market to home and then to take the money. So in real life there is different. We always estimate little bit more amount, and generally in estimation it comes more only, rarely it comes less. Okay, so now in question number B also there was addition, that is 1462 plus 3856. so what is there? If you will see in common, the highest place of a smaller number is also 1000, so we will rounding up to nearest 1000 over here. So we will see 100 place there is 4, so nothing will be added in thousands place, so it become 1000. If in below number you will see 3800, you will see in 100 place there is 8, it is greater than 5, so 1 will be added to 1000 place and all will become 0, it will become 4000. So when it is added it becomes 5000. And here in actual sum you see 6 and 2 8, and then after 6 and 5 11 1, carry 1, 4 1 5 and 8 5 13 3, carry 1, and then after 1 1 2 and 3 5, so 5318. This is the actual sum and estimated sum again in less. Okay, now if you will see again question number 6, here it is also the highest place value is 1000, so we had rounded up to nearest 1000. You can see 2511 it is, so in place of 100 there is 5, so we will be adding 1 and we will be removing this all, it will become 3000. In thousands place we will be adding 1, and in hundreds, tens and ones it will become 0. In same way in another number also there is 4925, in 100 place there is 9, so 1 will be added to 1000 place and all will become 0, that is 5000. So now here when we add we get 8000, and actual sum is 516 213 9514 4, carry 1, and 213 and 4 7, so it becomes 7436. Here estimated sum is greater than actual sum. Actually in real life this should happen. Okay, our estimation should not be less than actual. You might have seen in different occasions when our parents arrange feast, in that The cook person also estimate this much kg vegetables, this much kg rice, this much kg wheat, or you can say flour is required for arranging the feast, and their estimation is such that it never becomes less. What happens when we are doing the feast and at last 10 or 20 persons when they have to eat and it will be said no, all the eating materials has been finished, then it will be very bad. So estimation should not be uh, less than actual. Now you can see question number D. Okay, here it is 5,000 sorry 52,651. Here you can see I had done mistake by writing it from first, so I had cut it and again written 0766 because it is only 1000 and there it is 52,000, so we have to start to write from unit place. Unit place should be down of unit, tens place should be down of tens, hundred place should be down of hundred, and thousands place should be down of thousands. Now you can see actual sum 0 plus 1 is 0, 7 5 12, carry 1, 6 1 7, 7 and 6 13, again carry 1, 2 1 3, 3 and 6 9 and 5 as it is. When I had rounded it up to nearest 1000 because a smaller number, highest place value is 1000. So here at 100 place it is 6, so 1 will be added to 1000, it will become 53,000, and here at 100 place also there is 6, so 1 will be added and it becomes 7,000, and when both is added the estimated sum is how much? 60,000. In same way the last question which I will be explaining today is E number. You can see actual difference and estimated difference. Here also when we was both the numbers highest place order, then it is 1000, so we will be rounding up to thousands. And here in the top number, that is 9815, in 100 place there is 8, so 1 will be added to 1000 place and it will become 10,000. And here below it is 7030, in 100 place there is 0, so nothing will be added, and its estimated nearest 1000 number will become 7000. So from 10,000 when 7,000 goes it is 3, and when you will see the actual subtraction 5 minus 0 it is 0, and 1 given carry to 1 8 gives carry to 1 over here, so it becomes 11, 11 minus 3 is 8, and 7 minus 0 is 7, and now 9 minus 7 is 2. So here you can see actual subtraction is less than estimated subtraction, so it is good. So if you can see 2785 is the actual subtraction and 3000 is estimated subtraction. That's all. Again I will be coming with next questions in next video. You try to do these questions by yourself also. Read the question, you watch this, watch your step where it is right and how it is wrong. This all you should read the text. Okay, till then thank you, take care, and obey your parents at your home and read properly and make yourself strong in mathematics. Thank you everyone.